In the United States, legal matters are handled by the court system. There are always two sides, and each side argues its case before a judge and jury that decides which argument will win and which will lose. The jury is made up of 12 regular American citizens who are chosen at random. When one party presses charges against another party, the case can be settled or it can go to court. Many cases never go to the courtroom because the lawyers for both sides reach an agreement that is called a settlement. If the parties cannot agree on the terms of a settlement, the case will go to court, where each side will present its argument before the judge and jury. The job of a lawyer has very specific requirements in the United States. Lawyers and notaries are different, and someone who is only a notary cannot work as a lawyer. An attorney is someone who has gone to law school and passed certain tests in order to be allowed to argue cases in court. If someone offers to be your lawyer, it is okay to ask them to prove that they are an attorney. This can save you from getting into trouble later. Most lawyers charge money, but there are organizations that offer free legal services for those who qualify. Some of those services are listed below this video. Your relationship with your lawyer is protected by something called attorney-client privilege. This means that everything you tell your attorney is confidential. They're not required to share it with anyone else. Even if you decide to use a different attorney later, the lawyer you spoke to is legally forbidden from sharing the information you gave them in confidence. In addition to asking your attorney for proof of their ability to practice law, you should ask how much their services cost and what they plan to do for you. If you're arrested and cannot afford a lawyer, the government is required to provide you with a public defender who will argue your case for free. The legal system in the United States can be complicated, but you should not be afraid to ask questions. If you cannot afford a lawyer, contact one of the services listed below this video. If you have questions about your immigration status, you should contact one of these agencies, not immigration services. Remember that because you're in the United States, you have rights, even if you're not a citizen yet, and the legal system exists to help protect those rights.